Hello friends, welcoming you all to AK Gardening Passion channel. Friends, few days back I had done the unboxing of Amazon parcel that is of Coco Peat, and in the same box there was the box of the gardening tools which I had not done the unboxing. So let's see the unboxing of this box in this video. So before starting the actual video, do subscribe AK Gardening Passion channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos on the channel. So friends, this was the box, and in this box there was Coco Peat, and this is the bill of the parcel, and this one is the box of tools for gardening. And let's see this box. The brand name is Craft Seeds, and these all are the equipments in this box. And over here they have mentioned the description of products and the MRP of the products, that is 360 rupees. So friends, let's open and see this box, what all are the contents. So this is the fork, that is one piece of fork. Afterwards we'll see the uses of it. Then this is a pair of the gardening gloves. Then this is the scissor, which is multifunctional scissor which you can use for gardening and other use as well. And on this pack they have mentioned some description of the scissor, and here they have mentioned that scissor is of stainless steel and of high quality. Let's keep it aside. Then the next is small trowel. So this is the small trowel, and the handle is made up of plastic, and overall the quality is nice. So the next one is big trowel. Just see friends how it is, and it is very handy. So friends, this is the eye weeder, as name suggests that it is used to remove the weeds, as well as, just see friends, it's long enough, and its tip is made specially to remove the weeds. In this way you can use it. So next one is the cultivator. So here it has 3 tips, and it is used to mix the upper layer of soil or loosen the upper layer of soil with the fertilizers, and the build-up quality of all the products is nice. So it is multifunctional tool in gardening. Just you can compare or identify the size of the products. And on the box or on the package they have mentioned the information of the product, that is, here they have mentioned it is made in India, the manufacturing company's name, that is Craft Seeds. Let's see the uses of these all products one by one. So talking about firstly the gloves. So the gloves are used to mix up the fertilizers, mix up the potting mix, to give the fertilizers, and while trimming the plants. So you can use these gloves when you are working in your gardens. So next one is the big trowel. Big trowel is used to lift the sand, coco peat or potting mix. Then you can use it also to dig the soil when it is lighter enough. So the build-up quality of the product is nice. It is very handy. So in this way you can use this trowel to lift up the coco peat or sand. It is very helpful tool in the garden. The build-up quality of this trowel is also good. Then nextly talking about the small trowel. It is small trowel and you can see the size with or compare the size with big trowel. It is smaller in size. The function of the small trowel is same like big trowel. So this is the fork. It is used to sow the seeds or to divide the soil in such a way that it will be easy to sow the seeds. So in this way you can use the fork. Or also you can dig the soil. Then next one is the eye weeder. Eye weeder is used to remove the weeds in this way, or you can also use to remove the seedlings from the soil. So you can easily remove the seedlings without damaging the roots with the help of this eye weeder. Then this is the cultivator. Cultivator is used to mix the upper layer of the soil with the fertilizers or loosen the soil, or to collect the dry waste leaves from the soil. And this is the scissor which is used to trim the plants, and it is very multifunctional. So these are all the gardening tools. That is one pair of gloves, second one is big trowel, third one is small trowel, fourth one is fork, fifth one is eye weeder, and sixth one is cultivator and a scissor. So thanks for watching friends. Keep watching for more upcoming interesting videos. Thank you.